Welcome to my video. Today we are going to explore in clear and practical detail how to connect your computer to a network printer. This topic is essential for anyone who works in an office, runs a business, studies, or manages printing tasks at home. Network printers are designed to be shared by multiple computers, making them efficient, cost-effective, and convenient. Understanding how they work and how to connect to them correctly can save time, reduce frustration, and improve productivity. A network printer is different from a regular printer that connects directly to a single computer using a cable. Instead, it connects to a network either through a wired Ethernet connection or a wireless connection. Once connected, any authorized computer on the same network can send print jobs to it. This setup is common in offices, schools, and even modern homes where multiple devices need access to one printer. Before connecting your computer to a network printer, it is important to ensure that a few basic requirements are met. The printer must be powered on and properly connected to the network. Your computer must also be connected to the same network, whether wired or wireless. In addition, you should confirm that you have the necessary permissions to add and use the printer, especially in a workplace, especially in workplace or institutional environments where access may be controlled. The process of connecting your computer to a network printer typically begins with identifying the printer on the network. Many modern operating systems are designed to automatically detect available network printers. When this happens, connecting can be as simple as selecting the printer name and completing the setup process. However, there are situations where the printer does not appear automatically and manual configuration becomes necessary. When automatic detection does not work, you may need specific details about the printer, such as its network name or IP address. This information is often available on the printer's display screen or through its configuration page. Entering these details manually allow your computer to locate the printer directly on the network and establish a connection. Driver installation is another important step in the process. A printer driver is software that allows a printer driver is software that allows your computer to communicate effectively with the printer. Many operating systems install drivers automatically, but sometimes you may need to download the correct driver from the printer's manufacturer's website. Using the correct driver ensures that all printer features function properly and that print quality is optimized. Once the printer is added to your computer, it is wise to perform a test print. A test print confirms that the connection is successful and that the printer is responding correctly. It is the test print. If the test print completes without errors, your computer is now ready to use the network printer for everyday tasks. At this stage, if this video is educative, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you not miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Sometimes users encounter common issues when connecting to a network printer. These issues may include the printer appearing offline, print jobs getting stuck in the queue, or the computer failing to find the printer on the network. In many cases, these problems are caused by network interruptions, incorrect settings, or outdated drivers. Restarting the printer, the computer, or the network router often resolves temporary issues. Firewall and security settings can also affect network printer connectivity. In some environments, especially corporate networks, security software may block printer discovery or communication. Adjusting these settings or consulting a network administrator can help restore proper access while maintaining security standards. Wireless network printers deserve special attention. Wireless network printers deserve special attention. A stable wireless connection is essential for reliable printing. Weak signals or frequent disconnections can lead to failed print jobs. Yes, they can lead to failed print jobs. Placing the printer closer to the router or using a wired connection when possible can improve reliability and performance. Sharing a network printer efficiently also involves proper management. Setting one printer as the default can streamline printing tasks. Monitoring printer status, ink levels, and paper supply helps avoid interruptions. Regular maintenance and software updates further ensures long-term reliability. In conclusion, learning how to connect your computer to a network printer is a valuable skill in today's connected world. With the right preparation, correct settings, and basic troubleshooting knowledge, the process becomes straightforward and manageable. Once connected, a network printer offers flexibility, convenience, and improved workflow for individuals and teams alike. I believe you have understood how to connect your computer to a network printer. Finally, before you leave, if this video is informative, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Also, endeavor to watch my other videos also to learn more. Bye until my next video.